Coffee is the world's #1 drink with an estimated 2.25 billion cups drank every day globally. Voltaire drank as much as 50 cups a day and lived until the age of 83. So a coffee addiction isn't always so bad. In any case, we found 8 reasons why you may want to get yourself a proper cup of coffee now. And as an added bonus, stay to the end of the video and you will get an easy recipe for a completely unique coffee cocktail. Welcome, my friends. I'm back with another video all about losing weight by quitting sugar. This is Gerald, your health coach and chef. Let's get started. Number 1. Coffee boosts brain energy. Coffee can reveal your zone of genius for a while due to the fact that caffeine turns on certain sectors of your brain. The caffeine in coffee acts as a moderate stimulant to the body's nervous system. This neural activity triggers the release of adrenaline in an effort to affect numerous bodily functions. Your heart rate will increase, your blood pressure will rise, and breathing tubes will open up. Depending on the extent of consumption, it can assist in improving both attention and awareness. Remember that droop right after lunch? Sometimes you wish your boss would announce a siesta time? Well, if you're not in Spain, caffeine can enhance a sense of wakefulness during that post-lunch dip. We realize that working hours can be difficult every once in a while. Coffee is powerful in boosting brain performance for those hit by jet lag, shifting sleep patterns, or sleep disorders. Number 2. Coffee increases blood pressure. You may want to ditch the espresso in case you're going to have your blood pressure checked within the next few days. If you have high blood pressure, ask your physician whether you should restrict or stop consuming caffeinated drinks. On the other hand, hypotension, or low blood pressure, can be a severe and life-threatening condition. If not managed effectively, a tiny cup of espresso can battle a hypotensive episode, a condition where your blood pressure is too low. You may want to consider adding a cup of caffeinated beverage to each meal to help manage your blood pressure. Number 3. Coffee can improve your immune system. Coffee is most famous for its electrifying boost with the caffeine effect. It can be an ample supply of nutrients and helpful natural substance that could improve your immune system. According to scientists from numerous sources, coffee may reduce your untimely demise. This is because coffee alters your immune system, making it stronger and healthier. Coffee includes a number of antioxidants and phenolic compounds that can play a critical role in cancer prevention, and there is some research that suggests it may counter Parkinson's disease. Additionally, coffee may improve your liver, heart, and digestive systems. Be sure to brew your coffee with freshly ground coffee beans. Processed, instant coffee contains fewer vitamins and more chemical additives. Number 4. Coffee is known to relieve migraine headaches. The caffeine in coffee can remedy headaches and migraines. It's widely known that caffeine is found naturally in coffee, tea, some soft drinks, and chocolate. But many may not realize that caffeine is also added to some over-the-counter drugs. That's why it's an effective component to numerous headache pain relievers. It can make them as much as 40% more effective. Caffeine increases the effectiveness of these drugs and makes the chemical delivery process more efficient. It really works. So know that the stimulating effect of caffeine in coffee can help relieve these painful types of headaches. Number 5. Coffee can actually reduce stress. Coffee naturally acts as an anti-stress substance because of the release of dopamine and serotonin, which trigger a sense of calm. 1 cup, or maybe just the smell of coffee, can calm your nerves. This could explain the decreased risk of clinical depression amongst coffee drinkers. Some studies have shown that drinking between 1 to 4 cups of coffee every day may reduce the risk of suicide in males and females by up to 50%. Moreover, caffeine is one of the most common stimulators of the central nervous system, and it's this stimulation that may keep depression at bay. Interestingly, the most effective caffeine is found naturally in coffee, rather than the caffeine found in teas, soft drinks, or chocolate, which does not stimulate the central nervous system as efficaciously. Number 6. Coffee improves your memory. Coffee can definitely have an effect on your emotions, enhance recall, and memory. The stimulation of the neurotransmitters from coffee not only boosts your mood and productivity, but can also improve your memory. One simple and direct path this may work is with your short-term memory. This is significant because coffee not only helps you recall details stored in the short-term memory, only an hour later, it can also have a positive effect on your long-term memory under similar conditions. At times when work can get a little too intense, a coffee break will provide a welcome peace of mind whilst enhancing your positive emotions. All in all, coffee is a delicious drink which could improve concentration and increase the capacity to analyze and focus. Number 7. While we're talking about coffee myths, let's go ahead and debunk another commonplace coffee misconception. You may assume that the bitter and burnt dark coffee contains the most caffeine, but the opposite is true. Light roast coffee has the greatest amount of caffeine and is roasted for a shorter time. You are also more likely to add lots of cream and sugar to dark roast coffee. Lighter roast beans make for a smoother black coffee. This means less calories to help you lose weight. And number 8. Coffee helps you lose weight. Hey coffee fans, I'm here to report the most incredible coffee news ever. Coffee can help you lose that stubborn body fat and help you lose excess weight. It can quickly suppress your appetite and can stimulate increased calorie burning. When the presence of the hormone leptin is low, your body starts storing more fat, and you gain weight. Coffee will help you regulate the hormone levels in your body. Now you know why cyclists love their pre-ride espresso and why exercise yields greater performance for them. Caffeine offers you an increase in power at every stage during exercise. And for those of you who stuck around for the very end of the video, here's your bonus: an exquisite coffee cocktail recipe. If you're searching for something delicious to pair with your non-dairy milk, this cocktail recipe is a must. It is deliciously clean and so easy to prepare. Make your coffee with your preferred brewing method and let it cool. Then fill an ice tray with your cooled coffee and place it in the freezer. Then, on a warm day, add the coffee cubes to a pitcher of non-dairy milk. Sip this delicious coffee blend and feel refreshed after your demanding workout. Hey, thank you for watching the video. I hope this video helped you understand the most efficient ways of quitting sugar to help you meet your weight loss goals and enjoy more coffee. If you're interested in watching more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and change its color to a beautiful red. See you in the next video.